Hello, welcome to my channel CNCR Science and Math Concept. Here we are deriving the relation from the topic of rotational motion, class 11 physics. The question is derive an expression for center of mass of two particle system. First we draw the diagram. This is y-axis and this is x-axis and this is origin. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now we consider two particles. The position vector of first particle of this is particle P1 and this is position vector of particle P1 at R1 and this is another particle P2 whose position vector is given by vector R2. The mass of particle P1 is say M1 and that of P2 is M2. Then the line joining the two particles we join P1 and P2. This is the line joining the two particles. We consider that somewhere on this line joining is the center of mass. This is C, whose position vector is given by say R. The force acting on particle P1 is say F1, which is external force, and F2 is external force on particle P2. Then there will be force on particle 1 because of 2 F12 and force on particle 2 because of particle 1 F21. Both will be along the same line because this is mutual force and F1 and F2 are the external forces. Now the total forces are F1, F2, F12 and F21. Now the velocity of the particle when force is acting is given by rate of change of displacement of particle 1, position vector 1. Therefore its acceleration will be given by rate of change of its velocity v1, or that can also be written as second differentiation of position vector r1. Similarly, the velocity of second particle will be given by ddt of r2, or acceleration will be given by ddt of rate of change of velocity, this is a2, or that can be written as second differentiation of r2. Now the total forces acting on the system of particle F is equals to F1 plus F2 plus F12 plus F21. Since the particles are moving as a system, there is no displacement in between the two particles. Therefore, F12 is equal and opposite to F21. Therefore, we can say that therefore F12 plus F21 is equals to 0. Therefore, the net force acting on the particle will be, system of particles will be equals to simply F1 plus F2. Now what is net force? Net force is total mass of the system into acceleration of center of mass of system, which will be equals to m1a1 plus m2a2. m2a2. Now we have already have the relation for a1 and a2. So m1 plus m2 into ddt, second differentiation of, this will be the position vector of center of mass, which is equals to m1 second differentiation of r1 plus m2 into second differentiation of r2. Since masses are constant, We can take the masses inside the differentiation. So d dt of second differentiation of m1 plus m2 r center of mass will be equals to second differentiation of, here it will be 2 because it is second differentiation. I must write here since this is second differentiation. So in the above equation also it should be dt square. So this will be m1 r1 plus m2 r2. We can cancel out the second differentiation. Therefore, m1 plus m2 r center of mass is equals to m1 r1 plus m2 r2. Therefore, we can say the position vector of center of mass is given by m1 r1 plus m2 r2 whole divided by m1 plus m2. So this is a relation for position vector of center of mass for two particle system. That is all for this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging question and do subscribe my channel.